Is your engine sluggish, burning more gas than usual, or is that service engine soon light glowing on your dash? You might have a code P2A03 stored in your computer. This code is technically described as O2 sensor circuit range performance bank 2 sensor 1. Let us break that down. Bank 2 refers to the side of your engine that does not have cylinder number 1. You will need to check your owner's manual to see which side that is for your specific V6 or V8. Sensor 1 means it is the upstream sensor, the one located before the catalytic converter. This sensor measures the oxygen in your exhaust to tell the computer if the engine is running rich with too much fuel or lean with too much air. When this code pops up, it means the sensor is not reacting fast enough or the data it is sending does not make sense to the computer. Symptoms include poor fuel economy, rough engine performance, and obviously the check engine light. The causes are often a failing oxygen sensor, but do not just throw a part at it yet. It could also be an exhaust leak near the sensor, burnt wiring, or even a vacuum leak. Here's how you diagnose it. First, visually inspect the wiring going to that sensor on bank 2. Since it is on the exhaust, wires can easily melt if they touch hot metal. If the wiring looks good, you need to check for exhaust leaks. A cracked manifold or a leaking gasket can let fresh air in, fooling the sensor. If you have a scanner that reads live data, watch the voltage for bank 2 sensor 1. It should bounce rapidly between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If it is stuck or moving very slowly, the sensor is likely dead. Also check for other codes. If you have a mass airflow code or a misfire code, fix those first, as they can trigger this O2 sensor code as a side effect. If you have confirmed there are no vacuum leaks, no exhaust leaks, and the wiring is solid, then it is safe to replace that upstream oxygen sensor. Make sure you use a high-quality replacement, as cheap sensors often fail quickly. If you ignore this, you risk ruining your catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive repair. Thanks for watching.